Hi everybody. I'd like to present a little problem and how I solve it. I need more lights for my videos. Therefore, I buy 2 lamps and here you are the lamps. I hope that will be help to solve my light problems. These lamps will be normally screwed on the ceiling, but I don't like it because the lamps are too high and I lost light. Therefore, I would like to place the lamps between the wall and the shelf. Because the distance between the wall and the shelf is shorter than the lamps, I need 2 holders for the wall and 2 special holders for the shelf. Here for the wall and there for the shelves.
I use OpenSCAD for the design of the 3D pieces. The introduction is short and for my need full enough. For me, it's easier to design a geometrical object with a computer language. Here is the design of the holder for the wall. And here is the design of the holder for the shelf. The lamp will be positioned on the top of the shelf. The pieces design is adapted to the design of the lamps, and such a special design is not commodity. The printing duration was over 3 hours.
And you see, it fits very good. Also, the other side fits perfect. Finally, I have mounted the holders and put the lamps on it. It fits like a glove. I have wired the cable and added the switch. And here is the difference without and with the new lights. Without light and with light. If you like my video, don't forget to vote a thumb up, please. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.